Hi everyone, we are going to introduce water level monitoring system. There is over 10,000 small and medium scale tanks located in Sri Lanka. Monitoring their water level is very crucial because if water level goes high, it's become a flood. If its water levels goes low, it's become a dry zone, then it's vector to farmers. Currently, the water level are manually monitored through a assigned person. Reading are recorded in document and update are given over voice call to monitoring station or office. This process is time consuming and inefficient for both parties, those who give updates and officials who use the data. The gathered data currently not visible to general public who wish to know the current status of the tanks. There is no real-time warning system. There is no centralized data processing system and proper data analyzing mechanism for future prediction or solutions. Let's when we move to the solutions, if we move to the IoT-based solution, it will become a big cost. It's normally single device would be 10,000. If then 10,000 into 10,000, it's a very big amount. About 100 million. It's a huge amount for the developing country. Then there is a very big cost for the transportation, installation, and maintenance also. In our proposed level X solution, there is no initial cost expecting for the servers. Solution is platform independent, network independent. It's work under 2G or 3G. Already there is an officers assigned for the tanks. They can involve as a lowest level data collectors. Government have more than enough people to do that. The system can be used without any technical knowledge because there's no specific device installed, there's no maintenance cost, and function even with the PH pond in ground level. You can see the video also, how we are implementing this measurement. The basic measurement bar used to monitor water level already placed by irrigation department or agrarian development department. Assigned person can send water level using any type of mobile phone with 2G coverage. Centralized web-based system store records of the water level and provide analyzed data for the reports and decision making. Anybody can use public web portal to get an information or view in Google Map about water available. Let's go when we consider technology. We use IdeaMart APIs, SMS, USSD, subscription, and we are willing to have LBS APIs also. We are not independent on depending on any mobile platform. We are use web app and mobile telco app. We are much not considering revenue generation because as all 5 members government officials. So, but there is a business module. At the initial step, we can expect around more than 5,000 subscribers with lowest data collectors. Then 70% revenue received from monthly subscriptions. For the general public would be charged for the status check-in. Already verbally agreed with Purnagala District Irrigation Office and Hydraulic and Disaster Unit in Irrigation Department. As a CSR, it can be proposed to provide instant message alert based on tower locations through GSM providers in emergency situation like flood occurred due to the high water level. When we consider objectives, we have a few objectives: notify relevant officers, general public, knowing the water level density in current country for irrigation industries. This cost-effective, less data entry works, semi-automated and efficient. This is the sample report of water level generated.
Bernard, your time is up. And dear judges, please proceed with the Q&A.